Print-on-demand businesses are so great because they allow you to start with zero upfront cost, no need for inventory, and complete flexibility on how you run the business. You don't even have to show your face or have a large social media following or even have tons of marketing experience. It's a business model that can actually replace your current job, generate passive income, and the best part is that you can do it from anywhere in the world. Now, I know it may sound too good to be true, but it's not. Print on demand is gaining massive popularity, and I'm here to show you why you should quickly jump on this opportunity before the market becomes saturated. In the next few minutes, I'll be breaking down the basics and I'll share with you the secret behind the scenes, how to get started, the best niches to target, what common mistakes to avoid, and which platforms are ideal for selling your designs. What is print on demand? It's just simply a business model where you can create designs, and platforms like Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, or Merch by Amazon can handle the rest. This means that they'll take care of printing your designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, posters. Then they'll pack them and ship them to your customers for a small fee. Your only job here is just to design and let them handle the rest. So all you need to do in this business is focus on doing your designs and promoting them. You don't even need to deal with the manufacturing aspect of it, the storage, the delivery. That's what those platforms are there for. But this is the secret to making it work. A lot of people just jump on this print on demand business and they don't make money because they are not using the right strategies. So I highly recommend that you follow the strategies I'm going to discuss now. So the first strategy is to choose an evergreen untapped product. Just forget about the overcrowded markets like t-shirts, mugs, and regular things like notebooks, jotters. Instead, choose products that have dedicated fan base and long-term appeal. Think about eco-friendly products, fitness accessories or unique home decor. These niches are less saturated and have strong customer loyalty. Remember that you're serving people around you, and this business is not about you. So what doesn't appeal to you may appeal to other people, and what isn't very popular in your environment could be popular in other environments. So what I mean is gardening products, for example, may not be popular in Nigeria, and you may just shy away from this, but you're losing a large market in America, for example, because this is an online space, so you get to display your product to people worldwide. The second thing I would say is to choose the right platform. Most beginners rush into popular platforms like I don't know if I should say the names, but these spaces are crowded with established sellers who have already dominated the market. So instead, I'll advise you to start on smaller emerging platforms like Zazzle, Society6 that are less saturated. So the third step is to use beginner-friendly design tools like Canva. Canva has a free version that can do all the job you need for you. So the platform just makes it easier for beginners like you to create stunning designs. You don't even need advanced skill to use Canva. You can even offer personalized products with names, dates and photos that are always in demand. If you're getting value so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Just let me know if you need a step-by-step guide on using Canva. So I know you may be wondering where to sell your products after you've done all the design and all that. How to find people to sell to. How will people find you? This is where marketing comes in. And luckily, there are several great places to promote your product. And here are just a few of them. I'll just be discussing a few of them. The obvious one is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok are great places to show your design. You can actually build a following around your niche and use organic posts or paid advertisement to drive traffic to your store. Another one is Zazzle. It's just a unique place for unique and custom products, and it's great for beginners because it's not overcrowded yet. It's an excellent platform that you can, sell your print-on-demand items because many buyers go there looking for personalized and artistic products. Then another place is your own website. And don't worry if you don't have your own website. Yes, you can use Shopify. With platforms like Shopify, you can actually build your own online store and integrate it with print on demand platforms like Printful, Teespring. This will give you full control over your brand and your customer experience. If you need a more detailed video on this, I can actually do another one. Just let me know in the comments, okay? Using Amazon is another great place. Merch by Amazon. You can tap into the massive audience Amazon has through the world's largest online market space. It will give you tons of exposure. So these platforms I've discussed just make it easier for potential customers to find your products, and with the right marketing strategies, you can actually build a successful business. So to recap, to succeed in print on demand business, you need to focus on selecting the right niche, using simple design tools like Canva, and starting on beginner friendly platforms. With the right strategies, like I've discussed in this video, you can avoid common mistakes and build a profitable business. So just let me know if you have any questions and I'll respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to see more great business ideas like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.